What if you could unlock the secret to earning over $1 million in affiliate commissions with minimal effort? Imagine a system so powerful, it transformed my business overnight and continues to generate astonishing results. Welcome to the Affiliate Takeover system, a game changer in the world of affiliate marketing. This isn't just another course. It's a comprehensive blueprint designed to help you dominate the affiliate marketing scene. With step-by-step training, you'll learn how to drive premium quality traffic, generate leads, and convert them into commissions. This system has been responsible for over $1,000 in affiliate commissions and close to $100,000 in contest prizes. I stumbled upon this system by accident, and it quickly became the key driving force behind my entire business. It's simple, effective, and doesn't require you to create top-notch content or experiment with multiple funnels. Even my colleagues, both beginners and seasoned marketers, saw incredible results using this system. If you can follow simple instructions, you'll never have to worry about sales and commissions again. In the past 30 days alone, this strategy has been cranking out astonishing results. This evergreen strategy has been proven to work over and over again, consistently generating commissions. Affiliate marketing can be tough, but with the right system, you can sail smoothly and make as much money as you like. Most marketers struggle because they don't have all the pieces or are doing things in the wrong order. What if you had a bulletproof system for building winning promotions? If you've ever failed to generate traffic or convert it to affiliate commissions, this system is for you. For the first time ever, we're pulling back the curtain and giving you insider access to our internal system. This system has driven incredible growth in the last 30 days alone. No more wasting time and money on incomplete strategies that yield minimal results. Using this system, we've sold $31,058.57 worth of affiliate offers in just 30 days. We use these strategies to build our email list, promote high-ticket offers, and build partnerships. Inside the video training, I'll walk you through the system step by step. I'll break down the system into separate strategies and tactics you can leverage for your promotions. The simpler the system, the better it works. And that's the thesis behind the Affiliate Takeover system. You don't need to be tech-savvy or have a lot of time on your hands to succeed with this system. Traffic and offer are the two key components of affiliate marketing success. If you can control your traffic and create an irresistible offer, you have a winning promotion. As soon as you go through the training, everything will fall into place and you'll see immediate results. Picture yourself having complete financial freedom and the ability to do whatever you want. Throughout the training, I'll delve into real-life case studies and success stories. You'll learn the fundamental concepts and principles required to build successful affiliate promotions. The Affiliate Takeover system is the key to the life you desire. Click the link in the video description now.